Right, so last time we'd got Quasi working. We got Quasi working left and right, and we got him climbing, I think. So it was going left and right. We got him to stop at the walls, and we got him climbing. Yeah. But now we need to get him to go down. Now the problem is, because we've got no... No, mate, because I was in the office today, it was all a bit tight. It was all a bit tight. So, no, there wasn't. Anyway, so we need to apply gravity, yeah? Because we've got... I'll run it again. We've got Quasi walking around the entire...
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's followed? Say hello, who's followed? Don't be afraid. Don't be shy. We're all good here. Because I'm useless.
Hello, John here.
Oh,
Thank
another
you for
one.
Following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's followed? Who's followed? Come on. Own up. Big Loud Jeff. Hello. And who was the other one? Nano Colonel. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome to the Madhouse. Yes, welcome to the Madhouse. Chat is mean to me. Oh no. I didn't see any of the... I'll have to watch the stream back and see what people were saying. All newbies get the first round in. Yes, of course. All the newbies get the first round in. Right. So, we have got Hunchback now wandering the limits of the screen. But we've got a problem when we're climbing. That we can't go down. And the reason for that is... Let me demonstrate it again. Right? There is a gap between his feet and the ladder. And the problem is, because there's a gap between the feet and the ladder, it's looking at these two here. And we need to get it to drop down so it can see the ladder so he goes into climb mode. Yeah? Because at the moment he's not in climb mode. Yeah? So see what you on you missed the countdown screen. Oh, on the blank screen. Yeah, I'm sorry. Countdown screen. I couldn't help. That was me attending to Nico. And the blank screen was work related. Sorry. Right. So we need to build the gravity engine. We need to put in the gravity physics engine because we need him to drop until he hits a block, and then we can truly see what's underneath him. At the moment, the surrounding detection system is seeing the blank. Alright, so we need to implement the gravity engine. So that's what this is all about. So what we need to do is we need a separate routine that will detect what's underneath him, yeah? And if it's a space that's underneath him, it needs to drop, yeah? It needs to drop. Now, we did this in the original one, but it was so mashed together. It was so mashed together that it was impossible to follow, all right? Because we had it, I think we had it in the logic. Let's see if I can find it. See, it's not even in there. It's not even in there. Right, let's see if I can find it. I'm sure I've called it gravity. There you are, JSR gravity pull. That's the thing that we need. That's the thing that we need, right? So we need to, let's see if we can find it. There. And in fact, it's not that big. Right, let's grab it. Let's grab it. Let's grab it. Because we're going to try and make it a little bit better. Right, we are going to be putting it in Quasi, because it's all about Quasi. He's the one that's falling. So let's put it in there, Quasi. So can we climb and then gravity? What's going on? Right. So we're going to put in the Y is the sprite we're going to test for. And right, so we've changed this. So we've changed this. So let's run that out and we'll do LDX. I think it's game constants dot collision. Yeah, collision index dot right bottom. Right, there we go. So we're going to grab that, but that is, yeah, that's right. Yeah, collision's not going to work. And then we're going to compare it. So we'll leave that in so we know what we're doing. So we're going to compare it with game constants dot map block dot empty. Right. So we'll do the same thing here. And I'll explain. Oops. No, that's right. I'll explain it in a minute. So LDX hash. Oh, yes. I've just spotted that as well. That needs to be there. Game constants dot collision. Oh, it does not like it, does it? It does not like it. That worked. Game constants dot. Oh, there's a bug. That is definitely a bug in the extension, isn't it? So hash game constants dot. Yeah. That's a bug in the extension, that is. Right, we'll have to tell him about that. Collision index dot left bottom, and we'll put a hash there now. And so we're going to do, that's right, this is the different one. Yes, that needs to be a hash as well. So compare, right, so we're going to ignore the hash because we know there's a bug now. Block, and what's this one? Empty again. VS Code is shit. Yeah, no, I think it's the extension. It's the extension that's not working. If I disappear, I've lost my signal in the middle of the North Sea. Are you coming back? Not the boat sinking. Are you coming back, Gary Meg? Hey, Twitch Ego, welcome. Welcome. Right. So what we're doing. Right, so let's get rid of these now, because now we've successfully come. So what we're doing, to test for gravity, we are loading the right bottom. So that's the character underneath Quasi, or at the bottom on the right. And then we're checking to see if it's an empty block, right? If it's not an empty block, that means something's there. That means something's there. And so we need to just jump past it because we know we're on top of something. So, and it does the same with the left one as well. If it's an empty block, or if it's not an empty block, we just bypass it, right? But if so, this is the stood still. That would be correct. Your audio only. All right. So now, if there is an empty block, we need to then get Quasi to drop. Yeah, get Quasi to drop down, and that's where this comes in. Yeah. So have we got speed climb? Game constant, speed climb. Have we got that? Or is that up the top? Let's have a look. Yes, we have. There it is. Oops, there it is. Right. So we can put in. Right, we'll rem these two out. And we'll do the equivalent with the new constant. So LDA, and we already know that the hash causes a problem, so we'll do it without it for the moment. Speed dot climb fraction, and LDX gain constants dot speed dot climb whole. Put the hash there. So we're specifying the sprite to fall. Oh, that's the sprite. The sprite. So we need to add. To the sprite. Now I think I've got the.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Hello, who's that? Who's just followed? Say hello. Make yourself known. We won't hurt. We're a bunch of. Hello, blue spider monkey. That's a good name. Welcome, welcome. Right, so we've got subtract. No, not subtract. We need to add to y. We've got add to y, which is here. So. Now the problem is, we're going to be adding a different. Right, okay. So we'll create another one. So we're going to take this add to y, and we're going to create another one. So we're going to call this falling y, so we can specify it better. Right, let's do that. Let's get rid of that. Let's get down here so I can copy what we've got. Right, so we are doing the fraction. We are doing the fraction, and we are using that as our speed, and that as the whole number. And then we mirror it onto the multicolored sprite. So here, we don't have to do that now. Is he alright? Oh, he's snoring. So now we can, instead of doing the manual calculations now, we can just do this. JSR falling y. So that does the addition. Yeah, so we can get rid of all that. Then we've got direction falling, and we're going to add it to, this is going to be storage. Flags. I think I've got a flags thing, haven't I? Have I got a flag section? I thought I had a flag section, but apparently I don't. Oh, no, it's there. It's Quasi. Right. So, storage.quasi.flag Quasi falling. So that's going to let us know that he's actually falling. Yeah? So we can get rid of that and jump to Quasi stood still. So that's idle. That's idle. So we need to jump back to idle because we need to set the animation to idle. So let's do that. So we're going to set that back to animation dot to idle, and then we don't need that. I think that's maths. There we go. We need that one there as well. You sell Blue Monkey's sparkling water. Oh, by the way, I have bought the Nicos Run flask. You know, I've bought it. I've bought myself one, so it'll be here soon. So I'll be able to show it off. Because I thought, sod it, I'm buying one. So just in case you want one yourself, yeah. If you click on there, there it is. The Nicos Run flask. There we go. So if you want one, by all means, go and get one. You know, only $25. It's cheaper at half the price. You know, get yourself one. There's in 3 colours, but I've bought the black one. I bought the black one. So if you want some memorabilia, plate. Look, I'm not making any money out of it, so you know, by all means, go and grab one. I'm not making any money out of it, but I've bought one myself. So it's got Nicos Run on it. There you go. All right, go grab one. The T-shirt, yeah, I've got the T-shirt. Tash the Minion will tell you I've already got the T-shirt. Anyway, bit of self-promotion. So if I see a pop up saying you've bought a flask, thank you very much, but you know, I don't make any money out of it. Oh yes, you've got one as well, haven't you, Stackbats? Yes. Right. You want a black flask? Well, we can talk about it, alright? Xmas present or something like that. Get ordering. She might just pinch the one I get. Anyway, right. So gravity. So once we've I don't know why we're doing that then, because we know where we're applying it to. So in fact, let's get rid of that. Don't need that because we're applying it to quasi and quasi only. So what we need to do now is after we've done a movement. So in the game loop. Oops. Was that gravity or gravity? Nice one. Nice one. Oh dear. Right. So in our in our makeshift game loop, because this is only a test game loop, when we do the read and then we evaluate the surroundings, we need to then...
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while.
D-Type!
Stay forever.
You got a subscribe... Oh, it's Docster. Docster, what on earth?
Hi, John here. Another subscriber.
John Lego, he was
Stay
the one
a
who
while.
followed last week.
Forever. Hi, John here.
Hey, Zendar's got a
Stay
subscription.
Stay
Yes.
forever.
Hello, Docster. What a way to announce
Hi,
you've
Johnny.
arrived.
Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Is that it? Is that the last one?
Hi, John here.
Oh, no.
Another
Oh,
subscriber.
Ian's got one as well.
Stay a while. Stay forever.
Would be now a good time to gravity, yeah. Oh, he's not going to start another hyper train because that was very distracting last week. It was very distracting last week. Right, so when we've evaluated the surroundings, right, then what we need to do is we need to do the gravity. What did I call it? Gravity pull. Right. Then that should drop us down. Yeah. So let's try it. Let's see if my logic works, and of course that doesn't work. Where are we? Game constants. Where's Quasi? Oh, it's not. It's storage, isn't it? Storage. Oh, have I called it something else? Oh, yes, I've called it falling, isn't it? I've just called it falling. There we go. There we go. Right. Let's see. Thank you very much for the 5 gift subs, by the way, Docster. Oh, that's blowing it up, hasn't it? Kaboom! That has blown it up. Okay, what have I done? What have I done? We went to get a cup of tea. Yeah. What have I done? Did Quasi actually come on the screen? He hasn't, has he? It must be looping. It must be looping. Let's find out. Okay, Stuart. See you later, mate. Probably see you tomorrow. Oh, that's looping, isn't it? Oh, look at the stack. Oh, look at the stack. Yeah, stack's just filled up. Stack's just filled up. Okay, I'm JSRing, but I'm not RTSing, so where's that? Right, let's just have a look at... Where's the idle? Can we climb? Well, that's RTS in there. And that's RTS in there, so it's not that. Okay, so we come in and the RTS is there. Oh, hang on. Is it the new routine I've just put in? No, there's an RTS on there. Right. Let's put a breakpoint there. Oh no, come on. Put the breakpoint. No, here we go. VS Code's thrown a fit. Let's get rid of that. Right. If I must. Right. Let's see. Missing RTS. Where? I've just run through it. Well, it's not actually getting to the gravity pull. So it's somewhere else. It's not actually getting to the gravity pull. Oh, hang on, I put the breakpoint in the wrong place, didn't I? JSR to jump. Does your merch ship from US OSK? I want. No, it should be. It shouldn't be shipping from the US. It should be shipping from EMEA. Is the shipping cost massive? I don't know. All right, okay. I'll have to have a look at that. That is the problem there. That is the problem. There is no RTS here. That's the problem. Oh yeah, yeah. So shipping looks like it's massive, but it's not. It's VAT plus shipping. Right, let's try that again. Did you? Hang on. Missing RTS. Okay, I'll let you have that. I'll let you have that, mate. I'll let you have that, mate. Rosterini, hello, welcome. Welcome. Right. Let's see if gravity works. Let's see if gravity works. Now, did you see the... There we go. There we go. So now is ready to go down, but I don't think I've written the down code, have I? But we have got a bit of an issue. Oh, look, he fell off. Oh, yes, the gravity's working. Look, he fell off. Yay, gravity's working. But there's a problem. The scroll's gone bonkers, look. It's way into there. Let's bring that up a bit. Let's bring that up. There we go. It's a little bit better. We're going to have to do some timings on this, I think. Right, so now we can write the down code. So, right, where are we? Quasi, where is he? There he is. So did you buy one then? Because I've had no notification you bought one. Controls. Right, so we need to do the down. So let's do the down. So we're going to check down. And if it's not equal, we'll go to exit. Are we climbing? Are we climbing? No. Then exit and then go down. Right. Let's see if we can now go down a ladder. Ooh. Have I not written to go down? Let's have a look. So movements to go down. Alright then. We'll have a talk about it later. If you want one. We'll have a talk about it later. Right. Where am I? Where am I? To turn right. Oh, it's movements, isn't it? Alright, mate. See you later. Have I got to go down? Go left. Oh, I've got no to go down, have I? See you later, Mikroman. Thanks for popping in. Right, so let's try this again. So it goes up, and we can come. Oh, it goes too far. It goes too far. Right. So it goes too far. Now, how can we do that? Let's do that again.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Look at that, you got your name up in the corner. Thank you very much for the bits. Thank you. He's got that sinking feeling, yes. I think it's because of that. Because it's in climb mode. So if I do now down. Yeah. Right. Right. So when we go down, we're going to have. When we go down, we're going to have to check what's below him before we can do it. Yeah. So we're going to have to check what's below him. It's going to be something like this. It's going to be something like this. See, that is checking whether the but what we need to do is we need to check beneath. We need to check beneath to see if it's a climbing block. So what we can do is, can we climb? But we could also have a routine here called just checking underneath, like that. And then when we do the controls here, we could do the JSR quasi dot can we climb dot just checking underneath, and then branch if carry clear, no, carry set. Hang on, let's go back. Let's make sure this is right. Is there a climbing block underneath him? Yes, we set the carry. Right, if there's a climbing block underneath him, then we want to go down. But if there's not, we will go to exit. Right, let's see if that sorts that out. So we're at the top. Right. Come down. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Get in there. We still have an issue. We still have an issue. Because when we move, right. Right, if we move right or left, we've got to say that the I love how Johnny's surprised when it. I don't expect it to work sometimes, but it's still not working. But it's because when we move left or right, we're not turning the climbing flag off. Yeah. So what we need to do is we need to turn the climbing flag off. Now I think in the set animation, we set the climbing flag, don't we? Or do we? Let's have a look. Yeah, we set when it's. But what we need to do is when we move left and right, we need to turn that off. Yeah, we need to turn that off because we're not in climb mode. Yeah, so off. So then Quasi then animates properly, right? Because we've made it that when it's in climbing mode, there's no animation, and that's why Quasi was sliding off the ladder. So let's see. This should fix it now. Right, so we're there. We're going to. It's still, but as soon as there we go. That's what we want. We want Quasi walking. I like how he falls at an angle. Oh dear. I think we'll leave that in. That's a characteristic of the game. That he can fall at an angle. Oh, I'll leave that in. That might come in useful when we fall at an angle, like right. So gravity's working. Oh, look, it even falls off the ladder. Nice. Right, so we should get to the end, and we do. Nice, so now we've got a Quasi that can go everywhere. So we now got a Quasi that can go everywhere. I'd like to know why there's a gap. Why is there a gap? Oh, hang on. I see what the problem is. It's because we've only got it on the update sprites. So if we put that now there, that's going to give us an indication of how much time we're taking. There we go. That's better. That's better. We might have to unroll the scroller a bit more. See if we can save time. But that's something we can do in a bit. Right, so. Just needs to add a nice scream as he falls. Right, done. Done. Right, the ability to jump. Right, okay. Right, so. We did this in Nicos Run. I mean, we did it in We did it in Hunchback 1, but I think it was a bit messy. A bit messy. Let's just run it. It's a bit messy. Oh, did I press run? Yeah, I did. Right, so jump. Yeah, there's... Right, so we need to sort out the jump. Now, if we look... where's the code? Because I'm gonna look at Nicos Run, because I think we made it a lot simpler in Nicos Run. I just need to see the arc. Where's the arc? Did we put? I'm sure we put it in game storage. Did we put it in there? Yes, we did. We put it in there. So I'm gonna grab the arc just in case. I'm gonna grab that and I'll put it into hours. Okay. I thought something was happening, but it's not. Right. Oh, I've got the jump arc already there. Oh, right. Okay. I've already got it there. Right. Okay. Right. Nicos Run. Let's load up Nicos Run and remind ourselves how we did it. Right. So I think we put it in here. Here you go, jumping. Right. So we created a dedicated jumping routine for it. So, okay, so I think we'll nick it. We'll nick it. And then we'll apply the quasi-isms to it. We'll nick it. Right, so quasi. We got a movements, haven't we? Movements, here we go. To the right, to the left, going up, going down. Right. So, let's do, and we'll do this. Knock it over, and we'll say jumping. Right. So, so this is not going to be that. So storage. Let's do that. So I've got it on there. Go back to here. So we do have a flag jumping, which is this. So storage dot quasi dot jumping. Then we see if we are jumping. Right, let's get rid of this because that's to do with the sound effects. If it's not the initial state, then we go to jumping, which is here. Now we have got jump arc. So that's what we're going to do. Jump arc, and we've got, have we got a jump in? Oh, there, jump index. Right, we'll grab that. So that can go there. And let's grab that. Change that. Any more? No. Right. So next thing is the animation base. Right. So we need to set the animation bases for the sprites. So that's in sprite lib, isn't it? Let's put that over there. So we're loading sprites dot game constants. Put that over there as well. Right, so we are loading. We don't have a sprite, so we are loading. Let's just do that. Right. Quasi. Oh, there we go. Right. So we're going to do that. Oh no. Right. That. Then we load the jumping. So we are saying, oh, we've got to take consideration the take consideration where we're going. Yes, because we need to jump in a direction. I'm going to ignore that for the moment. Right, so we got jump index. So we're setting the jump index to that. Then we're setting that we're in jump and we set it. Then we load the jump index, load the arc, compare it with the floor. So have we got the floor? No, but we are going to be comparing it with we need to check the solid block. That's what we need to do. But we need to check when we're going down. We need to check when we're going down, I think. Let's see how I did it before. I think we need to check for the solid block on the way down. So how did we do it before? Let's have a look. Oh, here we go, the jump cycle. Oh yeah, we had to test going up and down, didn't we? So we loaded the jump arc, and then we had two different things. We had sub Y and add Y, didn't we? So when we're adding, yeah, because we had to check for a solid block or a ladder. So that's what we're going to have to do again. So where's sub Y? Right, okay. So we're going to have to check what we're doing. So if we're going up, we don't check. It's only going down where we're checking. So that's what we need to do. Right, I'm going to put that over here. Right, so we're going to try and incorporate that into here, right? So we load the arc. We load the arc, yeah? And so we need to, like there, branch. If it's equal to 0, then that's fine. And so we're going to what? I'm not using the same name. Have I? Yeah, jump arc. Jump arc. That's spelt right. That's spelt right, isn't it? Arc. Stop it. You're making me doubt myself. Right. So, we're going to subtract from Y. And if it's a minus value, let's do the same thing. Subtract from Y. So this is testing for upwards jump. Yeah. Now for the downwards bit, we've got to check what's between what's Alright, see you later, Tash the Minion. See you in a bit. Check my comment above. Aye, Captain. Oh, I'm missing the pun. Okay, I see. Yeah, I see it. I see it. Right, so, first things first. First things first. Right. Right. So we need to check. So I'm just wondering whether to Oh. Oh, right, okay. Oh, yes, it is, isn't it? Right, yeah. All right, so I'm going to do what I did last time. So you can see, I'll do that so you can see. And I'll take him down to get his eyes done. All right. So I won't be a second. All right. Say hello. Say hello. Show them how you're doing. Show everybody how you're doing. Hey? I don't know if you can... Hang on. Let's get him out of the chat. There we go. Say hello to everyone. As you can tell, he's not himself. Oh yeah, hey? Oh yeah. He's gonna get his hair cut this weekend, so he might feel a bit better. Hey? Right, say bye bye. Say wave. Wave. Go on, wave. There we go. We'll get you put back in bed, yeah? Come on. Looking at the screen and thinking, is that what you do all day long? Well, it would be right, wouldn't it? It would be right. Right, let's get back. Oh, I've just put you back in bed. Oh dear, just cleaned his eye out. Have to think of another pun for the next stream. I didn't twig, mate. I did not twig at all. I did not twig. Sorry. He did walk into the wall this morning. He did walk into the wall this morning. I don't know what he was thinking. I do think his eyesight's compromised a bit. Anyway. Well, thank you very much for the reminder. Next one is 11:30. Next one is 11:30. Right, so what we need to do. So I'm just wondering whether we should damn inappropriate lag. Okay, no worries. Yeah, I know you guys like to see him. I mean, Aston, you'll be in bed by then. Yeah, I mean, Aston, he just takes himself away. He takes himself away and he only wakes up for when it's food. I know, I've noticed that. He only wakes up when it's food. Right, so I'm just wondering whether but are we going to be checking elsewhere? No. Or are we... This is the thing. If we fall off a ladder and we fall onto another ladder...
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much.
What?
You guys really spoil me.
Docster! Nico bits. You know, after the what's it train last week, right? I bought them no end of treats. No end of treats, both of them. They've been spoilt rotten because of you guys. Been spoilt rotten. They had meaty, eaty things and all sorts. I tell you. I mean, if he weren't so bad, if he weren't so ill, he'd be pestering for another one. Got these meaty strip things. The boys absolutely love them. Anyway, right, back to what we're doing. I'm just wondering whether... Yeah, I did say I would spend it on him. And I did. I got quite a lot of stuff from Pets at Home for him. Quite a lot of treats. They got more treats than me. They go. I mean, they go bonkers in the morning for their breakfast. Well, I mean, as you can see, they're a bit subdued. I think Aston's subdued because Nico's not well. But his eye is getting better. His eye is getting better. It's just taking so long to get it done. Right, let's get this thing sorted out. Let's get this jumping thing sorted out. So, how am I going to do this? So I think I'm just wondering whether we on the gravity we should check for a ladder block as well. Do I have pet ducks? No. Pets at Home have big bags of duck treats. They are big bags of treats, I'll tell you that. Your neighbour has 2 ducks. Wow. The closest I got to ducks was when I was working for a small company around here. The house had a pond and there was ducks in it. It's great watching the ducks swim away while you're slavering over a keyboard. Right. No, we'll put it in here and then I will decide whether we're going to do it for gravity. So index left bottom, yeah. Oh, have I got it here? Yes, let's just grab that. Right, make that X. And we are checking for a solid block. Yep. Oh, Nico nearly had the neighbour's cat the other day. He nearly had him. Stop. Right, so if it's a solid block, we're going to jump to where we're stopping the jump, yeah? But we're also going to check.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
He's saying he's 12, 13. As soon as he spotted him, he was gone. Barking away. One of these days he'll catch him. One of these days. I'll tell you something, there's nothing wrong with his nose. There is nothing wrong with his nose. He may not see the treat coming at him anymore. How fast assembly language is compared to C? Good question. I'm sure someone will answer it. I'm sure someone will answer it. Anybody want to give an answer to that? Right, that should sort them out. So we're going to... Ooh, what's that? Oh, right, okay. Okay. Better put this in here as well. Is that in the movements? Movements. Yes, we better put that in there. So we'll put it there. Right. So this is to reset the sprite. Yeah. What's going on? What's going on? Hey, Amok, welcome. Bit long time no see, mate. Long time no see. Right, so we are going to sprite. So we are going to load. So this is aligning the sprite to the top. So we already know what the sprite number is for us because it's down here. Right, let's go back to the sprites. So we're going to go LDA sprites dot oh, no, it's not there, is it? It's not there. It's in storage, isn't it? That's where our array is, isn't it? The sprite array. There it is. There it is. Hey Nicomo, welcome. Ooh. Yeah. We'll ignore that for the moment. Let's just get it working. Right. So,
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys
What?
really spoil me.
Amok! Oh, 1,500 bits. Oh my god. Wow. Dude. That is too...
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh, Docster. Oh no. Oh no. Here we go. Oh no.
Oh my god, more bits?
What?
Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh no. Oh, here we go. You're going to go bonkers again. I'm going to try and keep up.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Tron, thank you. Thank you for the 100 bits. SP, you spent all your bits last time. I know. I know you spent all your bits. Oh dear.
Oh my god, more bits?
Oh, Docster.
Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Thank you. Oh dear. Right. I'm going to try and carry on. What if that carries on? Right. Doc has shares in Amazon. Yes, he does. He must do. End jump. Where's end jump?
Hi, John here. Another subscriber.
What?
Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh, another subscriber. Docster.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh, Docster, you've done it again. Dude, that's 10 tonight.
Hi, John here.
Nico did it.
Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Docster, you are way too generous. God dear. That's 10 subs
Hi, John
tonight,
here.
mate.
Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh dear. Oh. Docster, thank you. Thank you.
Hi, John here.
What?
Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
What? A mark. Oh. What is going on?
Hi, John here. Another subscriber.
What is going on?
Stay forever.
What?
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while.
What is going on?
Stay forever.
Docster, have you just given another 5?
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Docster, have you just given another
Hi,
5?
John here.
You
Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay
you
forever.
have, haven't you? Oh, dude.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Those two boys are going to get swamped with treats. You are too generous.
Hi, John here. Another
Docster.
subscriber. Stay a while.
Has Amok...
Stay forever.
I know Amok did 5. I know Amok... But I didn't realise you'd done another 5. Hey, Tash, the minions got
Hi,
a
John
sub.
here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Yeah, his SP says Tash has got another sub.
Hi,
has
John
she?
here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
You two guys are more than welcome to stay on my streams.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while.
Oh, Amok, it's
Stay
very
forever.
kind of you to say that. It's very kind of you to say that. It's much appreciated, you two. Much, much appreciated. The boys are going to get inundated with treats. I'm telling you now. Are we on level 5? Is the hyper train on level 5? What happened to levels 1, 2, 3, 4? Are we on level 5? Guys, but you're bonkers. You're bonkers. Subs get through the levels quite fast, do they?
Hi, John here.
What?
Another subscriber. Stay a while.
Mark.
Stay forever.
Oh, that's very generous. Oh no.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
And Mark, that is... You two... Hang on, I've got to do something about this.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Got to do something about this.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
You two are truly
Hi, John here.
bonkers.
Another subscriber. Stay
You
a
are
while.
bonkers.
Stay forever.
You are bonkers. I mean, that's 15 subs today for Docster and 10 for Amok. I mean, that is so generous.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very
SP,
much.
you got some
You guys
bits.
really spoil me.
SP, thank you for the 100 bits. Oh no.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber.
What?
Stay a while. Stay forever.
What?
Oh my god,
Docster.
more bits? Hi,
Thank
John
you very
here.
much.
You guys
Another
really spoil
subscriber.
me. Stay a while.
Oh,
Stay
Nicomo.
forever.
Thank you for the 100 bits. Oh, Docster.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
How many's that?
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Hey, cheeky trooper, welcome.
Hi,
Right.
John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while.
I don't know
Stay
how many
forever.
subs we got going. Right, I've just scrolled back, right? I've just scrolled back and Docster, right? Oh, more bits. Nicomo, thank you for the bits. Docster, right, get this, right? Docster has gifted 212 subscriptions to this channel. 212. Wow. That is astonishing. 100 of them to the bot. But Nico's mission, yeah, okay. And Amok, for your 10, it was 10, yeah? 5, yeah, your 10, much appreciated, mate, much appreciated. I'm just trying to think, how, is that your first, yeah, your first 10, so you've got, that's 10 to the channel. Much appreciated. Doctor knows I don't expect this. And it's a surprise when he does it. And it's even a bigger surprise when he's just done what? 20 gift subs? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 20. 20 today. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, are we on level 7? Oh, you watch offline. Well, that's what it's for. Oh my god, level 7. I'd never reached level 7 on a... Well, this is my, what, 4th hypertrain? It's my 4th ever hypertrain. We're on level 7. Oh my god. It's alright. That's alright, mate. That's why I leave them on. You know, people watch after the fact. And you two are most welcome to this stream. Most welcome. But Docster, 212 gift subs, mate. You're bonkers, mate. Absolutely bonkers. Oh yeah, you can't engage with the... that is very kind of you, Docster. That you love this channel. It's very kind of you. I appreciate the support. Yes, but the boys will get that. Boys will get it. Like they got all the treats from last week's train. They'll get some more. Don't worry, they'll get some more. They'll get fat. I'm telling you now, they'll get fat. I've forgotten what I was doing. Oh, right, okay. Right. Level 7 on the hypertrain. Oh my god. Level 7. Jesus. Right. I've forgotten what I was doing. Right, so here we have to everybody level 6. We got onto level 6. Level 6. Amazing. Amazing. Everybody. Amok, you've just earned the 5k bit badge. Well done, mate. Well done. Oh, look at that. Docster. Right, according to this, the hypertrain completed at level 7. Your community, oh my god, contributed 25 gift subs and 2200 bits. Guys, you're just bonkers. Absolutely bonkers, but thank you. Thank you very much. Absolutely bonkers. Bonkers. Right. Oh. I forgot where we were. Right, perform descent. Right, so let's put that one in so I don't forget. Perform descent. Right. Okay. Oh, have I spelt that wrong? Yes, I have. Oh no, that's how you spell it, isn't it? Descent. Yeah. Right. So, so to stop the jump, we've got to we're gonna have to we set So we do the jump initialize, and then once we've done the jump initialize, we are setting the jump. So when we finished the jump, we need to set the flag. Right, okay. I've got to remember where it is. Jump status, game constant jump status. That's up here somewhere, isn't it? Game constants. Oh, where's jump status? Where is that? Collision, block, speed. Where's jump status? No, that's not in there. I bet I haven't done the jump status. I'm wondering if it's this. I'm wondering if it's that. Isn't it in Quasi? I'm not sure. I didn't think I'd had any statuses in Quasi. But we'll have a look. No, I didn't think so. I didn't think we'd put it in there. I don't think I've actually grouped it. Line 3139. Oh yeah, this is what I'm thinking. I don't think I've actually created the jump status, because this would have been from Nicos Run. So this is what I was trying to determine. So we need to put it in here, yeah. But we can't have them as constants, we've got to have them as labels. That hypertrain's really made me lose the plot. I forgot what I was doing, I tell you. Right, so right, have we still got Nicos Run open? Yes, we have. Right, let's have a look at the statuses of that. Game constants. Let's have a look at the statuses of that. Right. I think we're gonna grab that. I think we're gonna nick that. Right. So let's see if we can superimpose what we're going to do on here. So initial goes in there. Compare it with the initial. That's that. So jump, we're in jump mode. Oh, we had jump up and jump down, didn't we? That's how we determine the different jumps, wasn't it? Hang on, let's just check. Oh no, we didn't do jump down. No, we only used the two states. Which is initial, jump, and off. So the jump flag, if there's anything in the jump flag, then that means we're jumping, right? So we would have set on and off. Yeah, in-flight's not going to be needed. So we technically don't need to do that. We don't need to do that. But I'm just wondering, but we know we're going down or up because we're testing the arc. So we don't need that. So yeah, it's just the initial, the jump, but we use on and off. We use on and off. Why not give him a cloak? Well, that'd be cheating. That would be cheating. Right. So let's do that. So we've just got the two states: initialize and jump. So that means when we finish the jump, we are going to go off and then store it in the flag. Who has... Oh, Aston's gone downstairs. So that turns the jump off. Which one? The original one or Hunchback 2? I love the original one. Lost so many days and hours on that. Oh, the original... Oh, the arcade one. Yeah. It's such a shame that we don't have those type of arcades anymore. How many times have I spent my entire pocket money at one of those? Right, so when we stop the animation, we need to tell that we're stopped. We need to say that we've stopped the jumping, and we need to set the direction. So, and we haven't done the direction, so we're going to have to do the direction and get that right, and then we'll store that in the quasi so we need to put it in the H direction, and the I think we got previous in there, haven't we? Where's the quasi stuff? Yeah, previous. So that
Hello,
stops.
John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's followed? Say hello. Don't be shy. Hello. Say hello. Don't be shy. Make it easier for me so I can find your name. Hello. Oh, Vital MKS. Welcome. Welcome. They did early after they gave the subs. Yeah, some people got subs. Some of the new boys got some subs, didn't they? Right. So we put it into stood still, and then we can just jump to the animation dot. Oh no, set animation, isn't it? Set animation dot idle. So when we stop the jump, it immediately goes into idle. Yeah. So that stops the jump, but then we need to perform the descent. Right. So the descent. Right, so we need to. Okay, we need to store. We need to store the thing. So I made this. Like that, and I put that there. In fact, that's not right. Let's get rid of that. That's better. So we load. So what we've done, we've picked out of the jump arc. We've stored away the value so we can pick it up later. Hey, Buzz, Joe. Oh, how do you say that? Buzz, I'll call you Buzz. Welcome. Coding the game in ASM. Yes. This is pre-Amiga. This is before the Amiga. This is before the Amiga. Right. So we are going to add this to the Y. So we've got. Have I got Quasi over there? No, I haven't. Let's drag Quasi over there. So we've got a function that adds a specific number to Y. Yeah, you know, this falling. But we're going to be adding a specific number. So we need to copy that and we need to paste it in here, right? So what we're going to do is we are going to, so we've loaded A, so we've already loaded A, and this is we need to, okay, we're not picking out the fraction. You started with the Atari 5200. Yes. I've been learning the Atari. The 8-bit versions anyway. Might do some when I've got more confident in it. Right, so we're loading.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's followed? Who's followed? Who's followed? Oh, Buzz. Oh, thank you, Buzz, for following. Thank you. So I haven't got OBS up. I can't see what's going on. So I have to ask who's followed, then at least they pop up in chat. Yeah. Right, so this is what we're going to, the number that we're going to apply to the Y value, yeah? This is what we're going to apply to the Y value. So we're not bothered about the fraction. We're not bothered about the fraction. We're only bothered about the whole number. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this. So we're going to take the A value that we've got from, we're going to take the value that we've had from the jump arc, and then we're going to add it to our sprite Y value. Yeah, that's what we're going to do, and then store it back, and then we do the copy for the multicolor sprite there. All right, so that's performing the descent, and then we need to jump to done the jump. Right, so we'll just put a placeholder there for that. Right, so what am I missing? Let's see what we're going. Stop the jump now, perform the descent. If we stop the jump, we don't need to perform the descent. Yeah. Oh, I'm jumping. Ugh. I thought I was going through. The RTS is going to be on that. That's it. Panic over. Right. So, so what am I missing? There's subtract from Y. That's what we're missing. Subtract from Y. Right. So we're effectively doing this again. We're effectively doing this again. So I'm going to grab that. But this time, instead of add, we are subtracting. Right? So, but the value that we've got is going to be in 2's complement, yeah? The value we've got is in 2's complement because we're using the bit 7 to tell us which direction we're going, yeah? So we need to D2 complement it, yeah? So to D2 complement it, well, in fact, we'll just call it to complement reversal. That'll do. So to D2 complement it, we first take the value and we flip the bits. Yeah, flip the bits. So we exclusive OR it. So we flip the bits. Yeah, and then we add 1, and that two complements it, so it turns it from a negative number into a positive number, yeah? Because we're going to use the positive number to subtract from our sprite Y, which is here, yeah? So that's now been 2's complemented, so that should have turned it into a positive number, and then we apply it there. All right. Right, so that should be, and then we've got to handle the done jump. So we've done the up and right, okay. I'm just going to stick an RTS on that. Right, so this is all the Nico code. Oh, we're not doing the loop. We're not doing the loop, are we? Right, okay. We're not doing the loop. Right. I've missed something. We need to check for the index, don't we? Oh, where's the index? Oh, I got myself all frazzled. Oh, hang on. We did it different in Nicos Run, didn't we? We did it here. There. Here. Right, so we did it at the end. So this bit. So we need to increase our index. We need to increase our index. Right. So LDY, INY, STY. Right, so that's the index, but then we need to check. We need to check that we're not running out of our loop, our arc. So we CPY, and that I think is in the game constants. Let's see. Is it in here? Animation, quasi's not there. Quasi. There. That's the one. Compare it with the number of jump frames, and then if it's hit it, then we have to we need to jump to where we.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh, Rosterini, thank you very much for the 200 bits, mate. Thank you. Oh, you guys are too generous. You guys are too generous. Ah, there we go. That's what we're after. There. That's what we're after. So when the arc's finished, we need to jump to that. So that when the arc's finished, we need to jump to that. So that stops the jump. Right, okay. Let's get rid of that, because we don't need it. And we'll put the jump in. Rossini, don't get stock started. No, I won't. I couldn't handle it. I couldn't handle another hyper train. Come on, no. No. You guys have already spent enough on me. Well, you haven't. You spent it on the boys. Why is that complaining? Is it too far? Oh, missed that. You guys have spent enough on me. Well, the boys anyway. Spent enough on the boys. By the way, is Aston back? Has he come back? Oh yeah, he's there. By the way, I have ordered an extra long USB cable so we can put the camera, when they're sleeping, we can put the camera there so you can see them up close. So hopefully it'll come soon, and I'll try it out, see what happens, see if it works. Right, hopefully that should work. So we need to perform this jump, right? So we need to load this. We need to load that in the game loop, the temporary game loop that we've got. Yeah. So here in this temporary game loop, so we've done the controls. We'll do the jump before we evaluate the surroundings, right? So what we're going to do is we'll put that in, and then if it's branch if plus to bypass jump. But if it's set, then we'll do the JSR quasi dot jumping. movements dot jumping. There we go. So in the control now, we should then be able to do the fire. So where we've got check down, so we'll grab this and we will put that in and say check fire. And instead of exit, we'll check check fire. Right, so it'll go to exit. Now we don't need this, but we do need to. Where are we? We do need to load this, because if we're jumping already, we don't need to initiate the jump again. Right? So LDA hash on. Store it, not there, there. So that initiates the jump, right? And that's all we need to do. Just initiate the jump, because then the jump cycle will take care of itself. Right. Let's see. Let's see. After all that, have I bust it? Right. Jump. Jump. Well, clearly, it's not jumping. Clearly, it's not jumping. Right. Let's just check that I've got game control right. So, check down. Branch you've carried clear to check fire. Check fire. Check fire. So, it's doing it. Oh, John, you plank. You plank. Who's lazy? Who's lazy? Yeah. More like my test was wrong. Right. Jump. Oh! Right. Oh, okay. 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 Well, at least he lands softly. Oh dear. Right. Okay, what have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? Let's just check my loop. Right. Let's have a look at the dump. Where's the arc? Right, there's the arc. I think it's this. I think it's that. Right. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a step through. Make sure that it's working. Make sure it's right. So we'll put a step through there. I'm just wondering if I've got right. Right then. Here we go. Press the fire, which is Alt in this. There we go. Right, so we're going to go in. Here we go. Right, load. And it's 80, so it's on. Right, so it's on. Oh, I see the problem straight away. I see the problem straight away. Oh, I forgot about that, didn't I? Where's the controls in Nicos Run? I think we have to... yes, we have to set it to be a knit. We have to set it to be a knit. Right. I forgot about that. Right, controls. On. Plus game constants dot jump status dot init. Right. Let's try that. We'll leave the breakpoint in. Let's try that. Right. Jump. Oh, well. It wasn't that then. Well, it's a bit better. But why is it up there? Alright, so it's taking note of the block. Right, let's walk through it. Let's walk through it. So it wasn't that. Let's walk through it. Well, I think it was that, but I think we've got another problem now. Right, fire. There we go. Right, F10. Here we go. So we load 81. Now, compare it with 1. Load the index. Right, so that's the index. 923. So 923 is there. Yeah, that's the index. So we're going to load 02. Why are we loading 02? Why are we loading 02? Quasi. Where's Quasi gone? There. Oh, the status 02. Right, okay. Loading 02. Oh, hang on. Oh, John, you're an idiot. John, you're an idiot. Don't need that. Don't need that either. So see, cheers, mate. Thanks for the confidence vote. Oh dear. Right, so we're in initialize mode, and then we have to change it to jump status. That was the problem, but the problem is we reset it like a plank. Like a plank. Oh dear. Right, jump. Oh, you're joking. I thought that would have fixed it. I thought that would have fixed it, but it's not. Right. Let's run through it again. Right, so 1, so this is setting it up. 82, that's better. 0923. Oh, 0923. Let's just get them two numbers done. Right, so 82's there, that's our status, and that's our index. So we load 0, and the first one is 0. Okay, so branch of equal, 2's complement, add 1 is 0, so we load y, set 0, subtract whatever's in 09FA. 09FA, which is there. That's AD. So it shouldn't move. And then we copy it. Right, so that's right. So then we get 23, which is there. Increase it. Store it back in. Compare it with our things. Branch if equal, it's not. So we come back out. Right. So if I F11, so it comes back round again. It's all the way up there. Why is it all the way up there? Why is that all the way up there? What have I... What? Where's Quasi? Am I adding it to the... Right, so we should be subtracting, yeah? We should be subtracting. So I'm subtracting the sprite array, comma y. Oh, hang on. Oh, you plank. You plank. Okay, Docster. Night, night, mate. See you later. Oh, what a plank. Right. Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? See if you can spot it. See if you can spot it. Tell me if you can spot it. What's the problem? No, that's not the problem, but it's not the problem, but it's contributing to the problem. Yeah? Right, the problem is that 0 minus where we are, right? So I think it was 9, was it 9A where we are? Yeah, it must have been. Right, so 0 minus, right? Look what we're doing. So this would be 0. And then we say 0 minus where we are. Yeah, because 0 minus 98. Yeah. So it's wrong. So what we need to do is we need to, let's store it, and we'll store it in, I wonder if I can do that. No, I can't. So, so we'll do this. All right. And what we'll do is SBC that, and then we'll load LDA that. Because 0 minus 9A, I think, well, let's try it. Let's try it. Programmer, right. So we're in hex mode. So 0 minus 9A equals 54. Well, 66 to be honest. It's 66. And that's why it jumped all the way up there. Because then that was the new Y, 66. So we need to do this. We've got to store it here. So we load where we are, -0, store it back. Right, let's see if that fixes the issue. Right, here we go. Oh. That was superb. Oh. That was brilliant. That was brilliant. Oh. Oh dear, that was brilliant. So what's going on there? What's going on there? So it's doing, I think it's doing the jump, but I think it's not detecting the block, right, on the way down, yeah? But it's not jumping up high enough. I thought it would have jumped up higher than that. Jump off the ledge feature, yeah. I should leave that in as a hidden feature. Oh, yeah. Hang on. You modified some stuff just before this last change. Could that impact it? That's what I need to... Yeah. Yeah, it's... Let's have a look. Have I still... No, I haven't. Oh, okay, let's go back in here. Right, so let's find where the jump is. Oh, that's too far, I think. Here we go. Oh. Oh, that's Nicos Run. Why am I looking in Nicos Run? Right, so -1, -1, -1, -2, -2, -2, -2, -2, -2, -2, -1. Oh, I wonder if the frame rate's wrong. I wonder if the frame rate's wrong and it's the arc's too short. How many? Because that ain't many bytes. That ain't many bytes. So it's I think it's 40 bytes. Maybe we need to extend it. Maybe we need to extend it. Where's the gauge storage? Right, number. So 40. So yeah, 40 bytes. Right, okay. Maybe we need to extend it. How many did I do for Nico? Right, where's Nico's? I think we made it a lot more. Game constants, animation, Nico jump frames. Game constants, animation. Oh, we did. Oh, that's a lot more, isn't it? 14 times 8. It's 122. Maybe that's what we need to do. We need to extend it. Maybe that's what we need to do. So let's go into here and we'll change that value, which is in game constants. Let's just change that value. It's not there. Right, so it must be down here somewhere. Here we go. So let's make him jump for 3 seconds. So 3 times 50. Because there's 50 frames in a second on this thing, isn't there? Right, let's try that. Let's see what happens when we press fire now. Jump. Right, so the jump does work. But it's not jumping. It's not jumping when we're running. So on the down, it's not checking for the block on the down slope. He jumps in Z direction out of he jumps in the Z direction out of the screen, so he falls in front of the floor. It could be true. Could be true. I think now we've got a problem on the detection here. I think that's the problem. We've got the problem with the detection here. So when it's a solid block, it should be stopping the jump, but it's not. A bit more Zen, you'd fall off the desk. So, why? Right, okay, let's put a breakpoint in here. So let's put a breakpoint in there, and let's see what it's doing. Right, so that's the first one. We don't need that. So we'll continue. So he should be going up. Right, here we go. So he came down, but this is the first time we're seeing it. This is the first time we're seeing it. Okay, so we're loading. So we've loaded 85 LDA E. Right, okay. So 8EB1. Right, X. Oh, X is B1. Oh, can you see the problem? Oh, I'm really lost the plot today, haven't I? Can you see the problem? I'll give you a chance to have a look, see if you can see what the problem is. Because you guys are... Can you see what the problem is? I've just spotted it and I'm a plank for it. No? Not quite. Not quite. You'll kick yourself when you see it. That is meant to be that. Yep.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Hello. Who's followed? Say hello. I can't see OBS because I've got something in the way. Say hello. Don't be shy. We're all geeks here. Say hello. Oh, Mao 6502. Welcome. Yes, we are coding in 6502. We are. And we're just trying to figure out why Quasi keeps jumping off my screen. Right, let's see if this does it. Meow 6502. Welcome. Right. Here we go. Jump. Down. And we're back on track. Now, yes, is 1 pixel too low? So we need to stabilize it, don't we? We need to stabilize it. Is 1 pixel too low? That's probably where this comes from. What I was looking at. This. That's probably where this comes from. I did wonder why it was in there. So reset sprite to top of block. So for us, so we're going right. Okay, so we're going to load this. We're going to load that, right? Then reset it, and then store it back. Oops, excuse me. And then we got to do the same. Oh, why did I do that, John? Come on. Get back. And then we've got to copy the same because Quasi's 2 sprites, of course, not just the one. We don't need to worry about the frat. Right, so reset that. So that is when we are done. When we've finished the jump, that's here. Right, so JSR, reset. So, okay, let's see if that fixes that. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Up. Down. Oh, did you bounce? He bounces. He bounces. Okay. Okay. Why would that be? Why? Oh. Why would the bounce? Right. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, that's why, isn't it? That's why. Where's it gone there? Yeah, that's why. Okay. That might do it. Alright, here we go. Jump. There we go. It's the offset. The offset. Now we've got a problem that we can't jump. We can't jump and run at the same time. Yeah. So we need to change our control. So we need to change our control, that when we're doing right and left, we don't exit, right? We jump to check fire. Like that. Yeah, because we need to be able to check, we need to check fire. Why is that exit there? Don't need that. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. We evaluate whether we're going right. We perform the right movement, and then we jump to the fire check. And same with the left. So let's see if that fixes. Let's see if that allows us to jump in any direction. Right, here we go. Jump. 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 Dear me. Oh dear me. Right, okay. Oh dear. It's so stupid. Right. Right, okay. So when we initiate the jump, we must be setting the animation. Hang on. Okay, are we doing it in here? No. So we're not setting the animation there. So we've got to be setting the animation in here somewhere. I mean, we're setting the animation to there, but that's when the jump stops. Okay, let's just try this. Right, so that's not it. That's not it because it's still doing it. So, okay, so I can put that back in. Right, so we must be setting... We must be setting... Oh, right, we turned that off, didn't we? We turned that off. I wonder. Do we set where we're going? Do we actually say we're moving right? No, we don't. We don't actually set we're moving right. Okay. Think we need to check if we are in a jump at the start and not allow you to change direction during the jump. Yeah, I know it changes direction during the jump, because I knew that would happen. But I'm a bit concerned how it's going to the, you know, it's going to the. It's going to the idle. Right, because look, I can change direction like that, yeah? So, I'm just wondering... We haven't got... No. Oh, could you change the direction in the middle of the jump? Right, okay. Yeah, we just need to change needs to fix the sprite animation. But I can't understand why it's going there, because I don't seem to set it. Because we're in jump. Because we're not setting it here, but I don't seem to be setting it anywhere else except for here, and I've already proved that it's not that's setting it. So I'm just trying to figure out what else would be setting the idle. Oh, it's there. Oh, it's there. Right, okay, it's the gravity. It's the gravity. So what we're going to have to do is... this. It's the gravity that's setting it. Right, so in jump cycle we do not perform gravity pull. Right, let's see if that sorts it. I think it's the gravity, because that sets it to... When gravity happens, that sets it to idle. Right, here we go. Let's try it. Super jump. Whoa. Oh dear, we fix one problem, we create another one. Oh. Right. Let's reduce. Right, I think that's to do with the. I think that's just ridiculous. I think that's to do with this. I think that's to do with this. I'm wondering if what was Nicos frame? Let's have a look. Storage. So what did we do for the multiply for that? Oh, we didn't. Oh, we did 55 times. 55 times. 2.5 times. Oh, right. Nicos Run was a reference. Right. First things first. I'm going to put the constant back. Right. I'm going to put the constant back. Where is it? I'm going to put that constant back that we changed. That we changed from 40 to whatever we set it to. Yeah. I'm going to change that back to 40, back to its original thing, and let's see if that corrects our issue. I just want to. Stupid. Come on, John, you can do better than this. Right, run, jump. That's better. That's better. Oh, look, we got the ropes going as well. Oh, it catches the ropes as well. Oh, that's a bonus. Right, so we've got a jump. We have a jump. That was interesting. It doesn't quite jump high enough, does it? Right, so best thing, it doesn't quite jump high enough. So let's do that. I think we should reduce the vertical movement ability while falling. Yeah. I think that's... Yeah, that looks better. We've got to sort... That'll have to get sorted out as well. It works okay that way. That's an awful long way. It's an awful long way. Oh, I don't think we could get away with that one. Oh dear. Oh, that's a bug we can figure out some other time. So so Nikoma, you was on about this, weren't you? That when he falls off, you know, that you seem to think that. Do you think that when he falls off, it should do that? Yeah. Yeah. Should just go straight down. Yeah. I think we have a falling flag. Hang on. I think we have a falling flag. Let's have a look. Do we have a falling flag? Yes, we do. So we could check if the falling flag's set, and if the falling flag's set, we could stop doing the X and Y. Oh, you still want it? You still want it to do it? It's just. Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Well, we can. Well, the X and Y offsets are up here. Right, that's Y. Subtract X. Here we go. Because we subtract that. So. Okay. What I was thinking of, it was just stopping the in the controls where we're detecting where we're going. Yeah. So here, where we do turn right, where we do the movement to the right. What I was going to do, I was going to do a quick test here. I was just going to do LDA storage dot quasi dot falling. There we are, flag falling, and then just not do it. Yeah. So where's flag falling? What do we set it to when he's falling? 64. Branch if equal. That's what I was going to do. Let's do it on the left as well. So that's what I was thinking of doing, but I understand what you're saying. So let's fall off the ladder. Right, so we go up the ladder and then we fall off it. It immediately drops, yeah? It immediately drops. That's what I was thinking of doing, yeah? So if we jumped onto the rope, yeah, and then come off, it would fall off straight away, yeah? Like that. But you're saying to reduce the horizontal movement. So for that to happen, so we'll rem this out. That's what we've just put in. That basically stops the horizontal movement full stop, yeah? And so then in the where we do the actual movement. Oops. Here. Okay. We can do something. We can do something like that. Right, let's grab the code. So it's this. We can do something like that. So let's stick it in there. So if he's falling, we're going to bypass all this. And say, and do bypass. And then grab this. And do that. So this is effectively, and then jump to update X. Right, so that does that, but this is going to have to be 0 because the whole speed is 1, I think. The whole speed, come on, hover, show me. Oh, we'll go here. Speed. Speed, whole speed is 1. So that's going to have to be 0. Yeah, that'll have to be 0. So what? Let's do another thing. So label falling x speed frac equals. So if we half it, that'll be 128, and falling x speed will be 0 whole. We'll keep the naming convention the same. So that'll be there, and that would be there. Right, so let's do the same for subtracting. And we will grab that. Put that there. Grab that. Put that there. And then that would be jump that. And then we'll grab this. And then we'll do the same as what we've just done there. So fraction whole right. Let's see if that reduces the speed. Right, let's get up onto the here we go. Right, falling off. There you go. How about that? Does that look okay? So when we fall off, it's not as big a jump. Yeah. So if we jump onto there and then walk off like that, yeah. There you go. And it works on the end of the jump as well, because it's not so prominent, isn't it? That's a good idea, mate. That's a good idea. That deserves some of these points. That deserves some of those. Right then, so we we seem to have now the ability to jump. We seem to have the ability to jump. And I've just noticed the time because Nico's due his next eye drops in 7 minutes. So what I'll do, we'll call it for tonight. So let me just add this 7. We'll create the next branch for the next episode. Right, so we'll call it for there. Hang on. Let's just make sure I'm going to say this correctly. Yeah, I'll be streaming next week. So next Monday we'll start working on the logic that determines when he's stood on fire and stuff like that. Yeah, and then we'll take it from there. So we're getting there. I think it's. I'm going to have a look at the code just to make sure it's still tidy. But I think we're doing it. I think it's a lot tidier than the last thing. All right. So yeah, Nico in 5 minutes. Yeah, he's not going to be happy. I'm going to wake him up again, eh? Hey, look at that. He's not going to be happy. I'm going to wake him up again. Look at them. Butter wouldn't melt in their mouths. Full of ups and downs. Alright then guys, well thanks a lot and I will see you on Monday. Alright, have a good weekend, take care, bye. I'd like to thank all the Patreons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.